Alright, they're in here. It's in the shop. The big black Ford. Well, black Ford anyway. Not big. The 86 F150 needs a motor. I don't know if she's got a cracked block or blown head gasket, but the motor's coming out soon. But she's not bad. She needs to be, I don't know, patina or painted black again. I'm not sure. Interior's not too bad. Pretty good shape. Not bad. A lot worse. Hopefully my little gas didn't leak in here. Don't smell like it. Dang it. Oh well. She's an old truck. Old 4-speed. But that's the plan for the day. Get this thing out of here today, hopefully. Pull it out. Put this one in over here. It's out of an F350 I had. See how it goes. But I know it runs good. I started it before I brought it over here, so. Sheesh. I'm hoping the clutch is still good, but I'll find out here in a little bit. It's gonna be a good runner, I think. Get this back to life. This will be the second motor I put in this thing. This one came out of a little short box, 2-wheel drive, and it just didn't last long. But we'll find out. I'm thinking it's just a head gasket. I can just put a head gasket in her, and in the meantime I might just put some bearings and do some, fix it, make it a rebuild. That way it'll be dependable for something else. Sure we'll find something for it. I got 2 more of these sitting around here, and I got 74 F100 I need to get over here. 2-wheel drive, so, and it could take a 306.